How to turn off active status on your Instagram. Someday you might want to use your Instagram but you don't want to be seen online. Then how can you solve it? By being online but people will not see you online. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way, and to know how to do this, watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have already installed it, then just open it, and after opening it you will see an interface like this. After that, just tap on your profile, which is on the down right section. Tapping on your profile, you will see there are 3 vertical lines on the top right side, and when you tap on the 3 vertical lines which are on the top right side, just scroll down and down and down and down and down up until you see the option of messages and story replies. After seeing this option, you will see the option of show activity status. So my activity status is on right now. That means if there are any followers of mine, then they will see that I'm online. But if I turn it off, then they will not see that I'm online even though I am using my Instagram. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then hit on the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and for any suggestions or comment, do comment it on the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.